In this video, we'll be solving this problem. We'll be integrating 2x squared plus 6x minus 2 over this cubic using partial fractions. To figure out which type of partial fractions we need to start by factoring the denominator. So I'm going to take my q of x. I cannot do sum of cubes, I can't do difference of cubes. So which method will help me solve this, factor this cubic? Yeah, pretty much our last technique that we can use is factor by grouping. So out of these two, I'm going to factor whatever's common, so x squared. Out of these, I'm going to factor minus 1. So what I'll get is x squared times x plus 2 minus 1 times x plus 2. Since x plus 2 is in both, I can factor it out, and that tells you that factor by grouping will work. And then I factor x squared minus 1 using difference of squares, so I get x minus 1, x plus 1 times x plus 2. Here I have 3 different linear factors. So again, method 1. So the method of partial fraction tells you that this rational function can be written as a sum of 3 different blocks. So 2x squared plus 6x minus 2 over q of x. Let me write the factored one. Might as well. That's going to be equal to a over x minus 1 plus b over x plus 1 plus c over x plus 2. I need to solve for a, b, and c. I need to find those real constants. I'm going to multiply both sides by q of x. On the left-hand side, I'll get p of x left. When I multiply a over x minus a by this, the x minus 1 will cancel. So I'll be left with a over x plus 1, x plus 2, b over x minus 1, x plus 2, because in that case the x plus 1 will cancel, and this one the x plus 2 will, so c x minus 1, x plus 1. Now I want to figure out a, b, and c. I can plug in whatever value of x I want into this. What I'm going to do is plug in the smart values, so the values that give me a lot of zeros on the right-hand side. Which x would you start with? We can take minus 1 first. We'll get on this side, we'll get 2 minus 6 minus 2. So we get minus 6. On this side, I'll get 8 times 0. That will disappear. I will get b times minus 2 times 1. And this one will give me 0. So I get minus 2b. That means that b is minus 6 divided by minus 2, and that gives me 3.